In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change to a new number and still restore your chats on Telegram. Changing your Telegram number can be crucial for safeguarding your privacy, evading spam, and ensuring security. It offers a fresh start, especially when relocating or making significant life changes. To do this, simply head into your Telegram. On your settings page, tap right here on the edit button on your upper corner of the screen. Scroll down onto the option of Change Number. Tap on Change Number. You will be required to enter your new number. Make sure to use an active number because a verification code will get sent to that exact number. Tap on Continue to enter in the sent code to verify. After verification, your Telegram phone number will get changed successfully. All notifications of updates, verification, and other information will get sent to that existing number. That's how easy it is to change to another number on Telegram. If you have any questions regarding to this tutorial, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.